Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic Visualforce page in Salesforce. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to customize their Salesforce environment and build custom user interfaces. Let's dive right in and get your first page up and running. First, you'll want to locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This is your gateway to many administrative and development tools. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Developer Console. The Developer Console is where you'll be doing most of your coding and development work in Salesforce, so it's important to get comfortable navigating it. Once the Developer Console opens, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on File, then hover over New, and from the submenu that appears, click on Visualforce Page. This action opens a dialog box where you'll define your new page. In the dialog box that pops up, you'll see a field labeled Label. Go ahead and type Hello World into this field, then click OK. Salesforce will generate a default template with some starting code for you to work with. Now you'll see your new page open in the Developer Console with some basic markup already in place. This is where the magic happens. Inside the default starting code, you'll need to add your custom content. Put this code between the existing tags, left angle bracket, H1 right angle bracket, congratulations, exclamation mark. This is your first Visualforce page, full stop, left angle bracket, /H1 right angle bracket. This simple heading will display as your page content. With your code in place, it's time to save your work. Click on File in the top menu, then select Save from the drop-down. This ensures your changes are stored in Salesforce. Give it a moment to process and save everything properly. Next, let's see what you've created. Click on the Preview button, which you'll find in the Developer Console toolbar. This opens your Visualforce page in a new browser tab, allowing you to see exactly how it will appear to users. You should see your congratulations message displayed prominently. Now, if you want to manage this page further or access it later, head over to Setup in the Quick Find box, type Visualforce Pages and click on the Visualforce Pages option that appears. This takes you to a list of all Visualforce pages in your Salesforce instance. In this list, locate your Hello World page and click on its name. This allows you to edit the markup, adjust settings, or review the page details whenever you need to make updates or modifications. And there you have it. You've successfully created your first basic Visualforce page in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.